Isabel.
Left side green. We ask the parents please assist small children when exiting. Most of the shows are brand new this year and have not been seen in previous years. So we recommend that you try that. Also, ladies and gentlemen, the park closes at 10 o'clock this evening. 10 o'clock this evening. And you can be assured that the trails will continue to run.
Celtic Dine. Situated inside Ireland's Castle of Sully, this exclusive all-you-care-to-eat dinner buffet features the best offerings of Ireland. As we approach Tweedside Station, please listen to the following safety announcement. Please remain seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. You may then exit to your Sundays throughout the season with a sensational lineup including Kirk Frank, news
Crossing. We are now approaching Caribou Station in New France.
In Ireland, don't forget to see Celtic Fire. Meet us in Dublin's favorite gathering place for an exciting, high-energy show filled with stories, singers, musicians.
It's a portable ride, so you can view it and buy it at the exit. And then you can take it home and let your roller coaster family. And it pays tribute to Big Bad Wolf by making an 88-foot drop course around the river. It also uses the same concrete blocks that Big Bad Wolf used to help decrease the environmental